The National Unity Platform has paraded supporters, it says, were victims of state brutality during the Kawempe North by-elections. They included MPs Kayemba Solo for Bukoma Nsimbi, Derek Nyeko for Machinje East, Mayor Matthias Walukaga for Chengera Town Council, and other supporters. Kayemba Solo told supporters that the courage shown during the persecution by the state is the one that will save our country.
Baseball yange yagula kanayonga manyi ne bajiria. Naino mpira gwange ki Air Max ngachikubye mu nyumina to ne bachiria. Kwegamba abasajja bano simanyi sitole kina Bachambwa kuchambuye. Simanyi babali bakuma dembe babali babbi. Kubanga sina kinasigaza. Okutuka mu kutukubanga. Nga batubuuza Kyagulanyi bawaaki tugamba tewali justice. Twamwagala bwagazira tuli kukulwanira nsi yaffe.
Nenga adinga. Solidayo n'enjokya wano omukono wano. Nemba n'enjokya nejjawe eddiba. Kati ne bagalula abakyankube no bansamba emigere muno. Ngendo olaba sikyalina kyakola okugulu nakitegedde ku bamenyese. Nekakaba n'empanika okugulu kuno nga ndi wansi. Kubanga nkimanyi abo abasirikale bajja ati maje. Ate baba bamu tebamanyi Luganda babajje ewaffe mu Northern Uganda ne mu Eastern eyo mu Teso. Nalekana mu Luswayiri ne mbagamba mumenivunja mugulu. Mumenye okugulu. Kigambo ekyo kya Luswayiri. Ne bakuba ne basigala nga bakuba nezeemu nendeekaana mumenivunja mugulu. Katonda yali annyimiridde wakati ng'okugulu okwo kuli mu kuzannyira mu bbanga bwe kuti. Kudde eno. Katonda yali annyimiriddemu wakati n'agamba banne wacha twende.
As you were taking us to the drone, I saw some people and media people I know, especially Waswa of NBS. So I got my phones, I threw them to him. But Waswa keep them. Good enough, we gave them to Bob, my colleague who lives in Kazangola, and I found them later. In the drone, it's a nightmare. But it's no longer a nightmare because we faced it too. You see, Bobato nalaba kintu, obo kitya. Kati twakirabe na kiretera kikola ki. Kati kirala kikyana atulaga. Tekiriyo. Kyandisembeza bulijjo bwe ndaba drone nzirukamu. Nenekweka akaseera katuuse nga sina we nsobola kukola ki. Ne bagiteekamu ne batukolako ebikola buli ebyeffujjo ebiwulirwa.
He added that they were severely beaten without any crime committed, but only to support Bobi Wine and the National Unity Platform. Mayor Matthias Walukaga said they had never seen the brutality of such nature.
So the Yati guys came and arrested me. They took me into a drone very, very quickly. Having arrived into the drone, I can't tell you what is in drone. For those who have never been taken into a drone, pray to God so that you do not enter the drone. In 3 minutes, I can tell you that the guys, I was beaten serious to an extent that the whole body had to sweat.
Party Secretary General David Lewis Luwongoya cautioned President Museveni against calling for an investigation, claiming it is the NRM that started the violence. Party President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu blasted government ministers for their role in the violence. William Rwanga, Beg Television.